Hi everyone, my name is Costa and today I'm gonna show you how to integrate Spline into Framer. So I got this frame right here and its position is on absolute. Now go to insert and look up for embed. Drag this inside the canvas. I will press Ctrl X, select the embed frame and paste it in here. Now let's center it and in each field type in 0. This looks great. Go to Spline and remix the project you want to integrate in Framer. Then go inside the project, go to export and click on copy link. And I will go back to Framer now. Select the embed and I will paste the link in the URL field. So you have to wait for a few seconds until the design is gonna show up. Voila, now let's preview this. And as you can see, we have this beautiful animation integrated into Framer in just 1 minute or so. My 2 cents about Spline is that it's a nice tool. However, be careful when you use their designs because it's gonna slow down your website, and especially if it's an animation like this. So thank you much for watching guys, see you next time.